Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And on this channel guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started with Corel 2019 from beginning to advanced. If this is what you are really interested to learn, how you can use advanced CorelDRAW, Corel 2019 from beginning to the advanced, kindly remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can use Corel 2019 from beginning to advanced. And if you would like to check on some of the previous tutorials I have made about Corel tutorial, Illustrator, and Photoshop, kindly check them out on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit the channel. So guys, this is just an introduction to Corel 2019 from beginning to the advanced. And in my future tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step on everything you need to understand as far as Corel 19 is concerned, starting from all the necessary tools in Corel 19, some tips and tricks, and how you can be a professional graphic designer using Corel 2019. And one thing about this series is that you can as well use Corel 7, Corel 8, or you have Corel 2020 or Corel 2021. I'm going to cover everything on this channel. For you not to miss anything about Corel 2019 from beginning to the advanced, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and watch out for more interesting tutorial on Corel 2019, all well explained step-by-step tutorial. If you have any question for me as far as this is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next tutorial as far as we get started with Corel 2019.